In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change design in Appy Marketplace. First, open Appy in your browser and sign in so you can see your main dashboard. This is your starting point for everything you manage. If you work with multiple projects, take a second to confirm you're in the right account so the changes apply to the correct app. From the dashboard, locate the Builder area. Here, click Manage. This takes you into the section where all your apps are listed and organized. Look for your Store app and select it. If you see several apps, the Store app is the one tied to your marketplace. Choose that to make sure you're editing the right storefront. Next, choose Manage App and then select Edit App. Edit App opens the Builder interface where you'll make your design adjustments. Give it a moment to load fully because the preview and design tools appear after the editor initializes. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation panel for your app. Find and click your store name there. This action focuses the editor on the store component of your marketplace. With the store selected, click the Design section. This is where you control layout, the overall structure, and how products and categories are arranged on the screen. Now it's time to choose your store layout. Appy provides several layout options, each designed to emphasize different elements. Some highlight large images, others prioritize lists, and some balance text and visuals. Think about your catalog size, the quality of your product photos, and how you want customers to browse. A clean grid can showcase many items at once, while a card-style layout can add breathing room and emphasis to each product. You can preview each layout before committing. Use the preview to check spacing, how product titles wrap, and whether your images look crisp. When you find a layout you like, click it, then confirm by selecting OK. Watch the preview on the right-hand side update instantly so you can see exactly how your storefront will look. Take a moment here to scan through a few screens in the preview, making sure categories, product tiles, and call to action buttons remain clear and accessible. Once you're happy with the new design, it's time to finalize. Review one last time to ensure consistency, logo placement, colors, and text readability should all feel cohesive. When everything looks good, click Save. Saving locks in your changes and ensures the updated layout is applied to your store within the Builder. That's it. You've navigated from the dashboard to the Builder, opened your store, selected a layout, previewed it, and saved your new design. If you found this helpful, stick around for more practical walkthroughs just like this.